Today, I will be sharing 10 smart laundry tips to help you get quality laundry. What is laundry? Laundry is washing clothes in water and detergents. Laundry can be done either in a washing machine or by hand. How do you know what to launder? Your care label is the best guide. The washing or laundry sign is a bowl with water. It could also have the temperature of water indicated, 30, 40, or 60 degrees. And it can also have a hand in water, which indicates you could hand wash that particular item. Here we go with our 10 smart laundry tips. 1. Check the care labels and other tags on the garments for the appropriate care instruction. 2. Sort your laundry. You must always separate different colors and fabric types into whites, coloreds, and delicates, especially to prevent color transfer and distortion. Where you are not sure about running colors, you can test the color fastness by soaking the tip of such garments in water for a minute or two and squeeze out the water to see if the colors are coming out. 3. Empty out pockets. Check your pockets for pens, notes, jewelry. Just don't do money laundering. 4. Ascertain the size of your load or how many items to be washed together. This will help you determine the amount of water, detergent, and time for washing as you choose your setting on your washing machine. Note that agitation is important for cleanliness of your wash. 5. Weigh your load to the capacity of your machine. Do not overload your machine with too many items and don't have too few clothes in a load as well. The maximum recommended capacity utilization of any machine is 80%. 6. Add detergents carefully. If you're using a top-load machine, allow some water to dilute the soap concentrate before loading your garment. And if you're using a front-load machine, just go ahead and load your garment as the detergent will mix with water as they're coming into the machine. 7. Set the required temperature. Colored clothes are best in cold wash, which also keeps their colors fast, and that is usually 30 degrees. While warm will go or should not exceed 40 degrees. 60 degrees is very hot, which is best for whites and also ideal for disinfection from germs and bacteria. 8. Water level is discretionary with the size of your load. So ensure you don't have too much water as the garments need to agitate closely together to get best cleaning quality. 9. Check your wash from time to time to ensure everything is going just fine. 10. Once your machine stops, unload the wash and dry immediately. Do not leave your clothes in a wet or damp condition for too long. It makes them smell funny and they could be really stinky. If you leave your clothes in the rain, it is ideal you rinse them before you re-dry them. In our next episode on Fabricare Redefined, we will be discussing 10 smart drying tips. I am here to ensure that you enjoy your wardrobe investment, so feel free to share, comment, and subscribe to the Fabricare Redefined channel now for real hands-on Fabricare tips, and your clothes will thank you.